Think about it. How would you feel if your life completely changed in just the next 7 days? You would definitely start feeling more confident and powerful, right? Well, today, that's exactly what's going to happen. We are going to tell you 5 steps that, if followed for the next 7 days, will transform your life 100%. No matter how weak or unfocused you are right now, just follow these 5 steps for the next 7 days and see the transformation. And if, after following them, you don't see changes in your life, come back to the comments section after 7 days and tell everyone that this video is fake and false. Before making this video, we ourselves took a 7-day challenge to ensure we provide you the most accurate and effective methods. Step 1. Defeat your biggest enemy. You might find it a bit strange, but in today's time, your phone is your biggest enemy. While the phone is one of technology's greatest achievements, the real problem isn't the technology itself, but its revenue model. Old telephones were connected by a wire, and people used to move freely. However, today's phones are wireless, yet people are bound by their phones. Today's smartphones are designed in such a way that they keep your attention hooked, making you feel like there's no better option than staying online. Moreover, these apps collect your personal data, which isn't safe at all. If you pick up your phone just to check the time without realizing it, you'll end up using it for 15 to 20 minutes continuously, wasting your time. To master the world's best time management, reduce the time you spend on your phone and use it for your benefit. At the beginning of this month, we gave ourselves a 15-day challenge to stay off Instagram. Within just 2 days, we felt better. Disconnect from your phone entirely for just 7 days, and you'll find yourself ahead of 99% of today's youth. Step 2. Change your operator. Most of us live our daily lives as a routine, repeating the same things in the same order every day, like checking our phone first thing in the morning or drinking a cup of coffee without checking it. Most people have programmed this routine in their minds, which runs like autopilot. In reality, the operator of our human body is the mind. If you run it on autopilot mode, no change will come into your life. You need to nurture your mind, for which you need to think about your actions and feelings. Did you think this morning that you would do at least one good thing today? Probably not. To nurture your mind, follow this 15-minute ritual for 7 days. 1. Write down one thing you want to achieve in the next 7 days. 2. Write what you want today as soon as you wake up, what to avoid today, and how you can make your today better. 3. Think positively about yourself. 4. Write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. Just doing this for 7 days will transform your mindset in life. Step 3. The 90-minute hack. Focus is the most important thing to accomplish any task, yet it's the hardest thing to do. To work with focus, you should use the 90-minute focused work technique. It's a psychological hack that uses our natural energy cycles for maximum productivity. In this technique, you give your full focus to one task for 90 minutes, then take a break. During these 90 minutes, keep every distraction away and just focus on the task. This method follows the natural rhythm of our brain, and when alertness peaks, deep work increases. This boosts focus and immersion, yielding outstanding results. Step 4. The magic pill. What if we told you there's a pill that can guaranteed boost your mental and physical energy for the entire day, instantly change your mood, improve your perspective on life, enhance your mental ability, and give you lifelong health? Would you want to take that magic pill? If yes, then that pill is called working out. All top athletes, actors, entrepreneurs, and performers take this magic pill daily. When we work out, our brain releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that reduce stress and tension and uplift our mood. Exercise not only releases chemicals, but also acts as a distraction to prevent overthinking. It improves sleep, boosts self-confidence, and makes managing anxiety easier. Step 5. Submit to the process. We plan to do a lot, but can't get it done because we are the biggest victims of procrastination and overthinking. So, whatever you have to do, just do it without overthinking, as you've already thought about it when it came to your mind. Shut down your mind and put unnecessary rationalization on mute. Take a deep breath and start what you need to do. Your inner authentic voice is more powerful than your weaker self. Listen to that authentic voice and let it lead, because the more you follow your real voice, the stronger and clearer your identity will become. And most importantly, if you've watched this video until now, it means you're different from the rest because you didn't leave the video halfway like others who lack focus. Instead, you watched it until the end, which means you're serious about changing your life and achieving something too.